Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a specific role for a user if you want to give them access to only Woocommerce to the store. So if you have someone on your team that you want to give access to the store where they want to update products or add SKU numbers, delete a product and different things, but you don't want to give them access to everything like certain pages, plugins, certain functions that maybe an admin would have, then this is going to be where you can add them so that they can change the stuff in the store, but they can't edit anything that would be of importance in other areas of the back end. So what you'll do is you'll go to the dashboard and you'll scroll down to users, and then you'll hit add new, and then you'll put in all the required information: username, email, first and last name. And then down here in the role is where you're going to add that. So you see Shop Manager here. Of course, you have to make sure WooCommerce is installed. If it's not installed, you're not going to see this. But this is where you can give them access to WooCommerce. So when they go in and make or log in themselves, they're going to see certain things over here in the menu, but they're not going to see everything that you can see. So they'll be able to change stuff in WooCommerce and add stuff and delete some products, but they're not going to be able to do other things with the plugins and certain things like that. So this is how the back end is going to look when you're actually logged in. So you can see they have some functionalities here, but they don't have everything. And then here's where they can log into WooCommerce.